Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kine files. Kine files are crucial for managing your video projects efficiently. They contain all the information about your edits, media placements, and effects, allowing you to pick up exactly where you left off. Think of them as the blueprint for your creative vision. Saving your project frequently ensures your hard work is always protected and accessible for future modifications. Once you launch your video editing application, navigate to the project browser to find your saved Kine file. Simply tapping on it will load your entire project, ready for further editing. If you need to add new elements, importing media such as videos, images, or audio clips is straightforward. Just select the desired files from your device's storage and bring them into your project timeline. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's fantastic for playing music while you edit or just relaxing. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With your project open, the timeline is your primary workspace for editing. You can easily drag, drop, and trim video clips to perfect their timing and flow. Enhance your visuals by adding engaging transitions, creative effects, and informative text overlays. Don't forget to fine-tune your audio, adjusting volume levels and integrating background music to create a professional soundscape for your video. After completing your edits, it's time to export your masterpiece. Select your preferred resolution, such as 1080p, and frame rate, like 30 frames per second, to ensure optimal quality. The application will then render your project into a single, playable video file. From there, you can easily share your creation directly to various social media platforms or save it to your device for later use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.